Samsung has been delaying the release of its Galaxy flagships and folding devices by a few weeks over the past few years. Rumors also indicate that the business may reveal the date of the 2024 campaign a few weeks early, possibly on January 17th. Now that this date appears to have been verified, Samsung has released additional information regarding the phone's availability and pre-order dates. According to a Samsung electronics executive cited in a report by the ELEC, the Galaxy S24 series will make its debut on January 17th during an Unpacked event in San Jose. The tech behemoth from Korea has never before hosted a product launch in San Jose, home to both Apple and Google's headquarters. The corporation reportedly decided on this site to demonstrate its competition with Apple and collaboration with Google. In contrast, the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S22 was held on February 9, 2022, while the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S23 was hosted on February 1 of this year. The Galaxy S24 launch event is therefore being moved up by 15 days by the firm. It appears that immediately following the presentation, Samsung will begin to take pre-orders for the Galaxy S24 series. Pre-orders will be open in Korea, as well as a few other countries, from January 19th to 25th. The pre-sale launch, which takes location between January 26th and 30th, is when pre-order clients will get their devices. Beginning on January 30th, the Galaxy S24 range will be widely available. The main specifications of the Samsung S24 Ultra and its smaller siblings have been revealed thanks to multiple leaks over the past few months. The Galaxy S24 Ultra appears to have a similar design as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, although having a flat display rather than a curved one, according to renders. According to another rumor, the phone's screen will have one of the brightest screens available when it reaches a peak brightness of 2,500 nits. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will have a frame reminiscent to an iPhone in addition to a few other cosmetic tweaks. With the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung apparently hopes to produce the smartest AI phones ever and surpass the Pixel 8 in artificial intelligence capabilities. The phone might use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip to provide generative AI on device, and Samsung is reportedly thinking about including Google Bard or ChatGPT. One such Galaxy AI function that will be available on the Galaxy S24 is AI Live Translate Call, which the Korean behemoth has already revealed. With the use of this capability, the phone will be able to translate voice and text conversations in real time. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.